Hello everyone, and welcome to Masterin. My name is Rodrigo Garcia. Today you will learn how to create basic animations in PowerPoint and use green screen to insert animations in Clipchamp. Subscribe, like this video, and share. Let's start. The first thing you will do is insert a GIF or animate objects into a PowerPoint project. For example, in this presentation, I made this bear out of basic shapes. All of these shapes are individual figures. I added a few details to explain the exercise we will do. You can add more details to your project. On the second slide, I made a position change to one of the shapes, moving the bear's left arm up. Let's duplicate both slides as many times you need. Then select all of them and add the transition morph. Change the transition effect time to 25 milliseconds and the transition time to 1 millisecond and apply it to all the slides. Let's play the animation and see how it looks. You can see the animation is fluid and smooth. Adjust the times as you need. Next, change the background color to green and apply it to all. You can use the code 44D62C, which is the exact tone of green. On my end, I selected a green color from the palette. It should work too. Once you have it, play the presentation and record it with the record screen option in Clipchamp and save the video. Find the full tutorial of Clipchamp in this channel to learn about it. In Clipchamp, I have this forest background image, then import the video of the bear. Drag the video into the timeline. Select the video and open the effects menu. Select green screen. It automatically removes the green background from your video. Make the necessary adjustments in the display area and the timeline. Let's play it and see how it looks. As you can see, the animation runs smooth. One last thing, if you insert an animation that requires green color, then you need a white or black background. Let me show you an example with this. I have inserted the same video with a white background. From the effects menu, there is an option to remove the white or black background. It is not as sharp as with the green screen, but you can make adjustments to your animation by correcting the black or white tones so that they are correctly removed from the background. That's all for this video. You can find new project videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We are close to the 1,000 subscribers. It helps me a lot to keep creating this content. If you want to invite me a coffee, find the links in the video description or follow the QR code. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.